Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your friend Nawaf and you're watching Shipmate Nawaf Kazi, Shipping Made Easy. Guys, today I'm here to share with you the preparations for coronavirus on board. We were lucky enough for quite a couple of days we were out at sea, but now we are calling a port, and guess what? The port is Amchi, Mumbai. So we will be coming soon, Mumbai, and we just want to be sure that everything is okay on board, and we are ready to fight with this deadly coronavirus. And also we want to do our part by ensuring that we are not the reason for spread of any coronavirus in this beautiful city of Mumbai.
India led the world in eradicating two silent killers or eliminating them in the country. Smallpox, one of the greatest successes of mankind. India also eliminated polio, another silent killer. India has tremendous capacities, all countries. It's really, really important that India continues to take aggressive action at the public health level and at the level of society to contain, control, suppress this disease and to save lives.
So guys, here we are. We have done few preparations on board with whatever available resources we have, and we are ready. Let us see then what are these preparations. Follow me. This is the alleyway for the CCR deck, which will be the primary means of access to the shore guys going to the CCR and going back on deck. So we will take care of this alleyway. Let us change it soon. So guys, you can see we have covered the entire alleyway with plastic. This is the starboard door. Plastic covering through and through to the port entrance door and the CCR. This is CrewCare Neutral Cleaner Disinfectant, which is a concentrated solution, and when we mix 16 ml of this solution to 1 liter of water, it makes a solution which can be used against the COVID-19 virus. So we will transfer this 16 ml solution into the spray cans and make it ready for use. So our disinfectant is ready to be used in 1 liter bottles. We just have to spray this on the exposed surfaces and leave it like that for 10 minutes. It will evaporate on its own and the surface will be disinfected. We plan to use this immediately on bridge equipments after the pilot is away. Also, this will be used on exposed surfaces in CCR or the mess room, which will be used by the shore crew. And additionally, we have made a 6-hour routine wherein every 6 hours we will be spraying this disinfectant into the common spaces, into our mess rooms, alleyways and so on. In our officers and crew mess room, we have kept such small bottles of hand sanitizer with a hole on the top. This is because we have received big bottles of hand sanitizers in bulk, and so we have transferred it into small bottles. These are placed at crew and officers mess room. This is the PPE. Our company is very proactive and we have been supplied with PPE. This box you see is the surgical gloves. We have some more kept in the store. The blue colored surgical gloves. This is the N95 masks which we have received. We have received two type of masks. This is one of those. And this is the second type of mask which we have received. You can see N95 written. Then we have the hand sanitizer. As I told you before, we have received in big bottle and hence we have transferred it into small bottles for use. All the crew have been instructed to use this PPE While the vessel is in port, the mask, the gloves, sanitize their hands regularly and keep washing their hands. Self-protection is the first protection.
मजबूर कर रही है मुझे और मजबूर होना मुझे पसंद नहीं.
We have some more of the disposable face masks and some gloves. We are keeping these in CCR. These are basically for the shore guys. Like if some shore guy shows up without a mask or a gloves, then we can provide him with a mask or gloves. We have made a small hand sanitizing station immediately once you enter into the CCR deck between the fire door and the watertight door. This is for shore crew. We have also posted some instructions here. No entry without sanitizing your hands. You should wear gloves and masks, and of course if you have cough or high body temperature, you are not allowed entry. We also have some posters on the fire door. This is the last door before entering the accommodation. The shore crew will sanitize their hands here using the elbow, and they will make an entry into the accommodation. As you know, the accommodation deck is covered with plastic, the CCR deck. Immediately as soon as they enter, we have some instructions here to maintain a social distance of 1 meter, and then we have marked these circles. You see this circle indicating 1 meter. Such circles are marked throughout the CCR deck alleyway so that accurate social distancing is maintained between the ship crew and the shore crew. The shore crew will normally use this access, and they will be only limiting their maneuvers on this deck. Here is the crew mess room. The entry for crew mess room is only for the ship's crew. The shore crew will mostly be using the CCR like loading masters, surveyors, agents. You see these circles, they are separated by a distance of 1 meter or more to maintain social distancing. This is the officers mess room. Again, entry is denied for the shore crew here. On the same deck, we have made a isolated mess room. This is just next to the CCR door. We have made arrangements to eat food. This is basically a ship's office which has been converted into an isolated mess room so that the shore guys can have their meals here if they intend to. On the CCR deck entrance, this is the first entrance from deck going to the accommodation, and this is the primary door. The duct is connected to a hydroblower which pushes air at a pressure onto the person which is entering into the accommodation. So before he enters the accommodation, he will be flushed with the air pressure. Just to show this, we have posted post-it pads onto the body of this crew member indicating that this is coronavirus. And let's see whether this is gonna help now. When the crew member with corona stains approaches from the deck and is about to enter the accommodation, he is rushed with the air coming from the hydroblower, and you can see the coronavirus on his body is flying off. So basically, when he enters the accommodation, if any stains of this virus on his body will be out. At the manifold near the gangway entrance, we have made a small hand washing station with soap, and it is for shore crew as well as the ship's crew. As soon as the shore crew comes on board, we will request them to use the soap and wash the hands thoroughly before making an entry into the accommodation.